ব- অবশেষে একটা পাড়া পেয়ে গেলাম। এবার পাড়াটার সাথে কথা বলি, দেখি কোন দেশে। হ্যালো,
Hello.
আর ইউ ফ্রম নাইজেরিয়া?
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. What about you? You think you're from India, right?
নো নো নো, পাড়াটায় ভাবছে আমি ইন্ডিয়ান।
Yeah,
এবার দেখি আর কি
where?
বলতে পারে আমার সম্পর্কে। তুমি এবার বলো কোথায়।
I didn't hear. So what?
ইউ গেজ হোয়ার মি ফ্রম।
Okay, I should guess. Uh, hold on. Don't tell me. Hold on. Hold on.
না, নো নো নো, আই এম নট ফ্রম ইন্ডিয়া, বাট আই লিভ ইন বিসাইড ইন্ডিয়া। প্লিজ নেম সাম আদার্স কান্ট্রি। দেখি।
Bangladesh, Bangladesh, and Bangladesh.
রাইট রাইট
Right?
রাইট, আই এম ফ্রম বাংলাদেশ।
Again, send me a gift. Send me a gift for getting it. Send me a gift for getting it. Send me a gift for getting it. Right.
অফকোর্স, পাড়াটায় অবশেষে বলতে পারছে যে আমি বাংলাদেশি। অবশ্যই আমি আই সেন্ড
Send
নেক্সট
me a gift
ইয়োর,
for getting
ও অফকোর্স, নেক্সট ইয়োর,
next year.
ইয়োর লাইফ।
Send me a gift. Send me a gift. Okay. Send me a gift for getting it. No. No.
এই আসো না।
You not hear me? David,
Yeah, yeah,
David, back
yeah,
to you. Okay.
yeah, I hear you. No.
I'm 25 years old, David.
Eh? Uh,
I said,
yeah,
send me a gift for getting it right.
I
Send me a gift for getting
yeah,
it right.
yeah. I say next time, next time.
When? When?
I have.
When?
Uh,
Please tap your screen, David. Please tap your screen. Increase my likes, please. At least give me like 50 likes, 100 likes.
yeah, I send you next time. Uh,
Next
right
time,
now I
sure
have
you
a,
come next time.
yeah. Right
Are you
time I
sure?
have not a lot of course. Sure.
Just, just one, please. Just one gift. Just send
Yeah,
something, please. Please, please. We're getting it right. Bangladesh, 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 Bangladesh. Please pronounce it. Pronounce it. Well, Bangladesh.
yeah.
No. Bangladesh.
Uh, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Send me the gift now, please.
I say right time I have a no, I have not a lot of. Next time I send you.
I said you should send. I said you should send one. Send one. One gift.
Next time,
Oh,
next time,
never should help me now. All right,
next
no
time.
problem.
Yeah. I follow you. Next time I join with your live and I send you.
All right, I'll follow you back. John, welcome. John, welcome.
Are you hosting?
Yeah, I'm a host.
Uh,
What are you small? Don't be an after snitch. As you finishing food. Take it now. I want to try. Oh, no. Wait for me.
Uh, your
It's
language is
hot up. Hmm?
uh, your mother tongue is English.
I didn't hear you.
Your first language is English.
I didn't hear what you say. Say what?